Space may be the final frontier, but it's made
By a weeb that still believes that the earth is round for some reason.
Space is a vacuum, so obviously sound cannot travel through space. So NASA uses special instruments on its spacecrafts that detect the electromagnetic signals coming from these space objects.
Alright, you know what? I don't have all day, so let's just jump right into this shit. Pa-pa-pa-pa-pa-pa! Play it!
My bad, just taking a shit.
This is a Christian channel!
In this part of the video, I would have included a really loud sound, but every time I do that, that's usually when the video gets skipped, and I don't want to take those chances with Ironmouse if that happens, so consider yourself spared. You're welcome.